morning students. Again we are going to continue our chapter 1 of EVS and the name of chapter is Get to Know Me. So open your book page number 7. Firstly you have to write down the date and today's date is 16th April 2021 and day is Friday. So beta today we are going to do words to know. Today we are going to do words to know. First word is hobbies. First word is hobbies. Hobbies means favorite pastime. When you are free, when you are not working, what we do, that is called hobby. Like my favorite hobbies is singing. Your favorite hobbies different from me. All have different hobbies. So hobbies means things that we do in our free time. जो हम अपने free time में करते हैं. Our favorite pastime, that is called hobbies. Our second word is special. Special means not ordinary, and also we can say special means unique, that is different, something special, unique. Now we will start our reading. So firstly write down date here, and today's date is 16th April 2021 and day is Friday. Words to know. Hobbies. Hobbies, things we like to do when we are not working. Second word is special. Special means unique, कुछ अलग, not ordinary. Okay. This is, did you know? What we do in our free time is called our hobby. Hobby means the work that we do in our free time, that is called hobby. Next is Crowley ask. This is only for your speaking part. When two people meet for the first time, what should they tell each other? This will do beta, we only for speaking. Means जब भी two people, दो लोग आपस में मिलते हैं, what should they tell to each other? Okay, this is only for speaking part. Next is let's recall. Our likes and dislikes are different. We all know that our likes and dislikes are different from each other. Each one of us is special. We already have read about each one of us is special. We all are unique. We all are special in our different way. The things that we like to do in our free time is known as our hobby. Yes, hobby is the thing, the work that we like to do in our free time is known as hobby. This is all about your first chapter beta. Now we will do exercise. So open your page number 8. So first part is write about yourself in yes or no. Beta, these are some points. If you do these things, you can write yes, but if you do not these things, you can write no. Like first point is, I brush my teeth every day. Yes, I brush my teeth every day. I like to listen to music. Yes, if you like to listen to music, you can write yes, otherwise you can write no. I go to school daily. Yes, I go to school daily. I like to read books. Yes, if you like to read books, you can write here yes. I like to draw sketches. You can write here yes or no if you like or if you do not like. B part is tick the things you can do tick the things you can do on your own. You have to tick that things that you can do your own, like dancing, drawing, packing bag, cycling, swimming and singing. You have to just tick that things that you can do your own. So now complete your work neat and clean. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.